Hi, I'm Ken and welcome to Melrose. This is another edition of Back to Basics. Today we're talking about the garden. It's garden time. It's spring, it's summer, it's fresh, it's colorful, it's whimsical, and you can have it all by just coming to Melrose. Today we're going to do a simple dish garden. This dish garden was inspired when I used to have a flower shop. We would make gardens like this, and we would use potted plants, flowering and green, and put them all together in a container, and it was called a European dish garden. If you planted it all up with the soil, it takes a lot more time than it was just a dish garden. But the European dish gardens were items that were contained in a container and then grouped in a larger one. And we're going to start with this beautiful bowl here. This is a new item for us for 2024. It's a great piece. The finish is exceptional. And if you like this container, you'll see multiple containers, vases, tall, skinny, some shorter, more with physical weight to it. They're great. They're heavy, heavy pieces, great for the patio or great for indoor use. So we're going to start with this, and we're going to take some of our beautiful blossom or ranunculus potted plants that we have. We also have little ferns, and we're going to keep them just as they come in their containers and drop them in here. I also like using all of our half orbs that we have in multiple different styles. This is a boxwood. It works great in this type of arrangement. And then we have another grassy one we're going to add over on this side. As you can see, as I'm building this composition, all of the colors, everything's coming together. All of our plants just set right down easily in the bowl. And there you go. A very simple European dish garden using Melrose permanent potted plants and a beautiful container. Now let's take it one step further. Now that you've created this beautiful garden, how about adding something else to it? I would like to take maybe an angel. This is also a new sculpt for us for 2024. She's beautiful. How about taking her and putting her down inside of your garden? This would be a great piece to send to anyone who collects angels, or maybe even for bereavement. Let's see what else we can do with gardens. I'm finishing up another garden for you, and again I'm using some of our potted plants, the Ranunculus, Fern, the Kalanchoe or Kalanchoe here. Beautifully done, just 4 simple plants in this container. This container is new and I really like it. It's a beautiful wood base, and it comes with a metal frame greenhouse gazebo to put over the top. Now carefully just place it over the top. Move your plants around a little bit so you don't smash them as you're putting it down. And there you go. It drops right over the top. And there you have it. Another beautiful garden from Melrose. Here's another exceptional piece this season for 2024 at Melrose. It's garden time here, and I've created another simple little garden for you. Some of our blooming plants and green plants all just resting in there. And check out our new rabbit. I think he's really cute in there. He's got a butterfly on his nose. There's so many exciting things in the garden at Melrose this season. Please come check out our garden.